Welcome to an oasis of peace. Just off the bustling coast of Mumbai, on the quiet peninsula of Gorai, lies a golden monument dedicated to global harmony. This is the magnificent Global Vipassana Pagoda. Every great adventure in Mumbai starts with a little bit of street-level chaos, so we kick things off by hopping into a tuk-tuk. There's nothing quite like the breeze in your face and the thrill of weaving through the city traffic. It's the perfect, energetic start to our journey towards the Global Vipassana Pagoda. To cover the real distance, we had to switch to the absolute lifeline of the city, the Mumbai local train. We jumped on board and headed north towards Borivali station. There's something mesmerizing about the steady rhythm of the tracks and watching the vibrant, endless city blur past the open doors. It gives you a true feel for the daily pulse of Mumbai. Stepping out of the crowded rush of Borivali station, we grabbed our second tuk-tuk of the day. This time, our destination was the water. You can actually feel the heavy city vibe start to fade away as we navigate towards the ferry point. We're finally at the edge of the creek, just a short boat ride away from the massive, peaceful pagoda waiting on the other side.
Yes. Going. Two ticket pagoda.
How much?
Come and go. 200. 100 each.
Global Vipassana Pagoda in Mumbai is the magnificent and stunning modern monument completely dedicated to peace. If its towering golden silhouette looks a little familiar, that's because it was modeled directly after the famous Shwedagon Pagoda in Myanmar. This architectural design choice is actually a heartfelt tribute to the country that carefully preserved the ancient Vipassana meditation technique for over 2 millennia. Painted in a gleaming gold that catches the coastal sunlight beautifully, it stands as a perfect bridge between ancient spiritual traditions and our fast-paced modern world. It's an inviting space that warmly welcomes everyone to step away from the chaos of the city and experience true inner stillness.
Which one is our ferry?
The guy said take the white one because that one takes you straight. This one will take on the other, other end where you have to walk more.
The story behind this magnificent structure is just as fascinating as its architecture. The vision was first proposed in 1997 by the renowned Vipassana teacher, Seven Goenka. It took 11 years of intensive labor and dedication before the complex was finally inaugurated in 2009. The pagoda was built with 2 main purposes: to share the practical, life-changing benefits of Vipassana meditation globally, and to honor Sayagyi Uba Khin, the Burmese master who helped return this technique to its origins in India. The entire complex is deeply steeped in Buddhist history and represents a monumental effort to revive Gautama Buddha's teachings in their purest form. Every single stone laid here was a labor of love, funded entirely by voluntary donations from people who have practiced the meditation and experienced its benefits firsthand. There are no commercial sponsors behind this project, just pure gratitude. It's a monument built by the people, for the people, dedicated entirely to global harmony and the eradication of human suffering. Standing here, you truly feel the positive intention that brought this to life.
Wow, this is beautiful entrance. Perfect for kids.
Return ticket.
Thank you.
Seems like water reservoir for fresh water and solar panel.
सोलर है चल
Let's go
Yay!
to your favorite place.
As we explore further, the sheer scale of the pagoda is absolutely breathtaking. Towering at nearly 315 feet, which is about the height of a 30-story building, it beautifully dominates the Mumbai coastline. To ensure it withstands the harsh coastal weather, the foundation is dug deep into solid basalt rock. The exterior is clad in stunning pink sandstone brought all the way from Rajasthan, which was meticulously carved by skilled artisans over many years. This warm pink sandstone perfectly complements the golden spire, radiating a beautiful glow during sunrise. Adding to the profound spiritual atmosphere, genuine bone relics of Gautama Buddha are enshrined within the complex, donated by the Mahabodhi Society of India and Sri Lanka. Meditating near these sacred relics creates an incredibly powerful and serene environment, allowing visitors to feel a deep sense of connection and historical reverence.
We cannot go. This is short.
हाँ अलाउ नहीं है ओह
सबके पास कुछ आईडी वगैरह कुछ नहीं है आधार कार्ड
आईडी किसका मेरा या उसका है
आपका इंडियन
तो मैं अकेले तो नहीं जाऊंगी फिर
हाँ?
अकेले तो नहीं जाऊंगी फिर
नहीं नहीं उनको लेके ही जाना है ना
अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है ये लीजिए
जरा अच्छे से पैक किया करो उसमें खाने का सामान है एक दो नंबर अब 2 मिनट खाली वेट करो
wait
हाँ उनको भी ले जाओ।
you can come here she will enter my ID and then you can also go
So if you just wearing shorts, you cannot go. But if you with you, I can go.
see I'm the special
Special
you
post.
said oh because of me see it's me because of me you can go inside say thank you
Huh?
say thank you kiss
So it seems like it's not allowed to wear short clothes when you're going inside pagoda.
ये गाना जो था ना पंकेल
Do you have another color?
you go inside
कालची गोष्ट आहे
and dying. Ooh, like a fisherman, local fisherman. So he was not allowed, but after they took my ID, register everything, and they give him where to wear this lungi. So now look at him. Ooh, he looks like monk or something. Okay, our another body scan done.
Let's go see this drum of Dhamma. Drum of Dhamma has been struck. Please. Eh? Reverberations far and wide. Go, let's go.
How was the experience?
No, they don't have
Celebrating.
this big stick to hit the
Oh,
drum.
that one you can do. That one.
But you cannot do down.
They are doing it.
Who?
They are. Since long.
Oh, may the words of drama resound through the earth and heavens. Oh, we can do sound. Let's go.
Go.
Yeah, let's go inside.
Go, no.
Let's go inside.
Okay.
Go, go.
You're gonna break it.
I almost
Go in the front.
can break it. It's breaking.
Now, let's talk about the absolute architectural masterpiece of this complex, the spectacular Central Dome. This isn't just any ordinary building. It holds the prestigious title of being the world's largest hollow stone masonry dome built completely without any supporting pillars. Inside this colossal, uninterrupted space, an astonishing 8,000 Vipassana meditators can sit together and practice in complete silence. Just try to imagine the profound energy of 8,000 people meditating under one single, massive roof. You might be wondering, how did they build something this massive without modern support beams? The engineers completely avoided modern steel or concrete framing for the dome itself. Instead, they brilliantly relied on ancient Indian engineering techniques. Each massive block of Jodhpur basalt stone was precisely cut with unique interlocking grooves. These stones perfectly grip onto their neighbors, holding the immense, heavy structure together through pure geometry, friction, and gravity. The construction process itself was incredibly slow and meticulous, requiring workers to place each stone with pinpoint accuracy. The central dome alone took years to complete, a true testament to patience. By avoiding materials that degrade and rust over time, like steel rebar, the architects ensured this awe-inspiring space will outlive standard reinforced concrete buildings by centuries, serving as a timeless sanctuary for many generations to come.
I think it's not allowed. Oh, it's not allowed.
No?
No video shooting.
Okay, okay.
Oh.
Then both of you go inside for meditation.
Oh, for meditation. How long it lasts?
10 minutes.
10 minutes only. Okay. What time they will open?
Door will open anytime.
Okay.
I don't know what is actual time
Okay.
started.
Okay, thank you very much.
It's
Yeah.
1:40.
I will give you one card also. Introduction.
Ah.
हिंदी आता है?
Uh-huh.
Which state?
Arunachal.
अरुणाचल में सेंटर है
किधर? Oh, इधर.
विपश्यना.
किधर ये? क्या नाम? भूटान. इधर में है भूटान बोलते हैं. बोमदिला.
पता नहीं. 10 दिन रहने का, 9 दिन बात नहीं करने का.
Oh, हाँ सुना था.
विपश्यना.
हाँ सुना था. There in northeast side, they have also a temple for 10 days meditation. They give you, they will train you and everything. But for 9 days, you cannot even say a word for 9 days.
Okay.
So both of you join that course.
Okay.
Now both of you go to first floor.
Okay.
There is Buddha Digital Museum.
Oh, okay.
Watch that.
First floor. Which one is it? Oh,
Go from this way. First.
Okay. Oh, they on the right side or left side one?
First floor, right side.
Right side. Okay. Yeah.
Okay,
I saw
thank
some
you very
people
much.
there. Thank you so much,
Thank
sir.
Elephant King paying respect to sacred Relicts of Buddha. That guy said that there is relict of Buddha inside.
Inside this temple, over there in the middle.
You want to visit the digital museum? So it's basically a digital museum. Inside, animated documentaries of Gautam Buddha is played about his life journey, and it is played in Hindi. So if you are comfortable, you can go. The
It's in
videos are,
Hindi, not
but you
English.
can. There are some posters which contain the same matter. You can read that, which is in English.
Okay. So that way, right?
Photos and videos are not allowed.
It's not allowed.
You
Okay.
have to keep your mobile inside.
Okay.
बैग किसका है? बैग आपका बैग है? बैग किसका है?
Can I sit on the chair? Can I sit in the chair?
No, here.
Can I sit chair?
No, he was asking if he can sit on the chair. Chair.
जो सांस आप ले रहे हैं, इससे लेके अंदर ले लें, इसी तरह बाहर भी छोड़े, इसी को आना वाला।
Oh, this is beautiful. We did 10-minute meditation here. Now I feel like to eat something.
Right here we have the magnificent Wheel of Dhamma, or Dhammachakra. It beautifully symbolizes the Buddha's teachings and the continuous turning of the Wheel of Truth. It stands as a powerful, ancient reminder of the ultimate path towards spiritual liberation. Beyond the massive main structure, the Global Vipassana Pagoda complex serves as a rich center of learning and history. As you explore the beautiful grounds, you'll discover an incredibly detailed art gallery and museum that illustrates the remarkable life of Gautama Buddha. Through a series of stunning paintings and intricate sculptures, it tells the captivating story of his journey from a sheltered royal prince to an ascetic seeking truth, and finally, to an awakened teacher. But perhaps the absolute most important thing to know about this monument is that it is strictly non-sectarian. You do not need to be a Buddhist to visit, to appreciate its stunning architecture, or to learn the meditation technique. The word Vipassana literally translates to seeing things as they really are. It is taught here as a universal, practical, and scientific method to purify the mind, completely free from any rites, rituals, or religious dogma. People from every background, religion, and walk of life come here to find inner peace. The pagoda's gleaming gold pinnacle is actually crowned with a special crystal designed to uniquely reflect light, acting as a symbolic lighthouse of peace for the entire region. Every single corner of this sprawling campus has been thoughtfully designed to inspire a deep sense of calm. Whether you are an experienced meditator arriving for a silent retreat, or just a curious traveler exploring with Wander Meridian, the grounding energy here is undeniable. Visiting this campus isn't just about admiring a grand building. It's about experiencing the profound stillness that it represents. Finally, we encounter this breathtaking white marble statue of the seated Buddha, carved with incredible grace and serenity. It beautifully captures the ultimate state of deep meditation. It serves as a quiet, visual reminder of Vipassana's ultimate goal, total mental clarity.
Okay, this is the end of today's journey to Global Vipassana Pagoda. It was nice, but the only problem you cannot go inside. But this is fine.
I mean, what do you mean which inside? We went
No,
inside.
inside the pagoda. You cannot.
Oh,
you cannot,
we
you cannot
went,
make
but
video
we cannot
inside.
make
Sorry.
video.
Yeah, you cannot make video inside. You can go inside, but you cannot make video inside. So.
It would be very nice if they allowed.
Yeah. No, thank you very much for watching. See you next episode.
Yay!
Bye.
Bye-bye.